来看国际赛车的比赛 F1 是头一个用电动车来比的世界级赛车锦标赛，目标是要来推广环保。即马已经进入第12季，是啥真侪赛车迷做伙去欣赏。
This is racing electric。
进入第12季的电动风铃式赛车比赛，那是全球第一个全电动的世界级锦标赛，也是唯一得到精灵拓牌认证的运动项目。在各大城市核心区举办，也更加加速电动汽车产业的创新。本季会继续使用更加高速、更加高效能的 Gen 3 EVO 赛车，那是所谓0到100只需要1.86秒，能量回收效率也大大提升，呈现更加紧、更加环保比赛的项目。
I think we get written off a little bit because we're electric, but actually, if you look at the performance of the cars now, they get into a stage where they're quick, they're fun, and if you look forward to Gen 4 especially, the cars are going to be incredibly fast. For me, the level of driving and the entertainment of the races and how unpredictable they are, it brings that element of sport which everybody loves.
那选手阵容真正名人，包括卫冕冠军的英国车手罗兰再来，几位世界级名将，比开年度总冠军吉利饼。国车队也个展现技术甲策略的全方位竞争，透过国内专业体育频道的专程转播服务，和关心赛车运动的观众，会当伫 F1 休赛季继续观赏世界一流的车道竞争。公司新闻采访报道。